To convert a decimal into a fraction, it is very similar to the previous outcome where we make a fraction from the number we see. Looking at the example, we write the decimal as a fraction of 1. So 0.2 over 1. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by tens until the numerator and denominator have whole numbers only. So 0.2 times by 10 is 2, 1 times by 10 is 10. There are now whole numbers in the numerator and denominator. The only thing left to do is simplify the fraction. Both numbers can be divided by 2, giving us the fraction 1 over 5. 1 and 5 have no other factors except for 1, so the final fraction is 1 over 5. 0.2 equals to 1 over 5. Let's have a look at this decimal. We do the same thing as we did before. 0.13 over 1. Multiply 10 for both the numerator and denominator, giving us 1.3 over 10. However, 1.3 still isn't a whole number. So we further multiply by 10 both 1.3 and 10, giving us 13 over 100. We now have whole numbers. We check if 13 and 100 have any common factors. They only have a common factor of 1, so the final answer is 13 over 100. Have a think about this example. Let's go through the process again. 0.04 over 1. Multiply both by 10. This gives us 0.4 over 10. Multiply again by 10 to give us 4 over 100. Now we have whole numbers, we simplify if possible. Both can be divided by 4. This gives us 1 over 25. 1 and 25 have no other factors except for 1, so this is the final answer. Last example. Like in the previous outcome, we saw that certain recurring decimals can be represented as fractions. Looking at 1 over 9, this is equal to 0.1 recurring, where we divide 1 by 9. And we recognize it follows this pattern for the other numbers. What would 0.2 recurring and 0.4 recurring equal to as a fraction? It would be 2 over 9 and 4 over 9. Pause and try these questions. To summarize, represent the decimal as a fraction of 1. Multiply the numerator and denominator by tens until there are only whole numbers. Then simplify the fractions.